Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. This wheelbarrow tubeless tire is leaking air almost from everywhere. I sprayed water with dish soap so I can see where the air leaks from. It is a good way to see the air leak easily. You can see the air leaking pretty much from everywhere. Or even tire edge are leaking all around from both sides of the between tire and rim. Sides of the tires and the center. It is really bad in old tire. The best is to replace it, but I could not find exact the same size of this tire, so I'll give a try to fix it. However, I found complete tire with rim, but it's not cheap. It cost about $45 to $60. First, I removed the tire from the wheelbarrow. I used flat chisel or flat screwdriver so I don't damage the plastic rim. I tried to flip the tire so I can access inside, very easy to fix it, but there's no way to flip it. This is very old damaged tire, that's why it was leaking from pretty much everywhere. As you can see, dirt, and amazingly there are a lot of rust dust found inside the tire. I was wondering where the rusting came from. Let's give it a good clean wash with cleaning rug to wipe it and remove all rust and dirt out. After dried it good with clean rug, and I sprayed brake and parts cleaner to get rid of any dirt or grease or rust still inside the tire to make sure the tire is very clean and ready for the next step. I should try to use tire hot rubber stickers, but unfortunately they are not cheap. Also they are expensive. One roller it cost about $40, almost the same price as buying same tire. So I thought to give it a try and use heavy duty duct tape. It is my first time using this method, so I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but it's a good to give it a try. If it works, I save myself some money. If it didn't work, I learned something, and at least I tried new method to repair tire leaks. This duct tape I'm using, it's very heavy duty and it sticks very strong. I cut it small pieces about 4 to 6 inches long and stick them all around inside the tire. This method took longer than what I thought, and I wasn't patient enough, so I started sticking the tape quickly, leaving some gaps, and duct tape was not even sticking good inside the tire. The curve of the tire, and I didn't take my time to do better job. I never did this before, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. Maybe I thought it's not going to work and just wasting my time. I hope I'm not wasting your time, but I like doing new things and try new things and new tricks. Sometimes works and sometimes not. Then I thought if I have thick rubber glue or some like sealer to coat it all around it inside tire, that way seal all holes inside the tire, but unfortunately I don't have rubber or sealer glue. I also looked online, and at local hardware stores I found some little rubber glue, about 50 gram for $6. And in order to fix this tire I need a lot of rubber glue, which will be so expensive to buy them, so I stick with duct tape method. As you can see, I put the duct tape completely inside the tire, hoping to stop any small leaks, and the air pressure will do the rest as the air pressure squeeze the duct tape into the tire. I should took my time to stick the duct tape nice and even into the tire and to do better job, but since it's my first try and I was not even sure if it's going to work or not, didn't care too much, just getting done and try it after. I cut the edge of the tape from the tire walls so the tire walls stick nice and hard against the rim to prevent any air leak. This tire is thin and bad, that's why it's leaking from everywhere. Now it's time to put back and give it try. To inflate the tire, it's not easy because tire edges or tire walls are not sticking, leaving gaps, and air will escape quickly from the rim edge, so no matter how many times you've trying to inflate the tire, it simply won't work. The simple trick is to use a rope or rubber band around the tire center, tie it down so the tire edges push against the rim edges, that way the air won't escape quickly, and as soon as tire has enough air starts to build up inside the tire, the air pressure will do the rest and push the tire edges against the rim. This trick works every time, however it may not work from first time, or the rope is not tight enough, or the tire edges still not closing to the rim, so you may need to try few time until you get it right. As you see in this video, I have tried several times until I get worked. Please check my other video doing the same method in the link description. This tire max hour pressure is 30 psi. I am using one hand to record. Now tire pressure is 32 psi, still okay. Now it's time to see if it works or not. After spending about 1 hour, I decided to leave it until tomorrow to test it. The next day the tire is flat. Unfortunately it didn't work, still slow air leaks. I knew it's not going to work. But the good news is I found just same size tire only at Princess Auto local store, and it's time to replace it, but that's going to be another video. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you so much for watching and all the best. Please support our channel. Subscribe, like and share. Best regards.